So we're going to walk around to this 15 Colorado work truck, 4x4. Presents quite nicely. You can see the outlines of where it had decals. Those should be able to be buffed off, but wanted to mention it. A few little dents and dings on it, as you can see in this tailgate, but nothing too crazy. Bed is in nice shape. Does not appear to have been used overly hard. Does have a backup camera, power windows and locks. The interior is quite clean. You can see there is the back seat as mentioned. Not a whole lot of leg room in there, but some children can get in. A few marks on the seats, but all in all, looking quite presentable. Good morning. So we're driving this 2015 Chevy Colorado 4x4 work truck. Has 191,000 miles on it, but drives great, runs great. Looks to have been used pretty gently for a work truck. The interior's in good shape. No weird sounds. Does have back seats. I'm not sure if you could get these without seats, but it does have those small seats in there. Accelerating fine, shifting fine. Steering feels good, brakes are good. Just a pretty clean 4x4 compact truck. Thank you so much for looking. Please remember to like and subscribe so you can see all the great stuff we have coming up, and you have a great rest of your day. Alright, looking at the undercarriage of the Chevy Colorado. Looks very clean under here. A little bit of surface corrosion, but rockers are really good. Frame's really good. Yeah, I don't really see anything that looks like it'd be an issue. So there you go.